What's up, guys? Chili Moose here, back again. I just want to give you guys a quick update. So we got a new car. We got a new Volkswagen Jetta 2025. This is the Sport Edition. Let me rotate real quick. So I will be reviewing this car. I've been driving it a couple weeks now. We purchased this on November 25th, right after Thanksgiving. So quick review, give you the ins and outs of this thing, and also maintenance wise, so far it's pretty good. Nice, pretty solid car. But this is the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine with a turbo. So as you all know, I had the Volkswagen CC before, and that had a turbo. That turbo was giving me some problems, but I think this one, from what I read up on, says that they've taken care of those issues with the turbo. So we'll see how this thing runs, and I'll be using it for maintenance videos, how-to videos. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.